In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Minecraft working aquarium. So yes, in our last video, we basically went into the end portal and we built the Enderman XP farm. And kind of extractive how I didn't find any Endermans to do, but I usually use myself for example of what the prototype will look like with all the Endermans. But if you want to make these working aquarium, here's what you'll need. So, going up to your inventory, you're going to need a lot of items, so I have to put the phone down. My apologies. So you'll need chests. Then you'll need some black stained clay. I think, yeah, black clay. Or you can use concrete, but we're gonna be using some black stained clay. Then grab yourself some glowstone. You'll need some ice. Then you'll grab yourself some vines. Also, yeah. You'll need some glass blocks. Now don't. Sorry guys, had to do something real quick. But continuing on with our ingredients, we'll need some glass. Then we're gonna grab, and then you'll need some dead bushes. Let me look for these ones. Then you'll need sand. Then you'll need raw fish, hoppers, droppers, redstone torches, redstone repeater, redstone comparators, redstone dust, and you'll need 4 blocks for the redstones. So for this one, we'll be using some limestone clay. But we're going to get to those materials a little bit later. But we want to know when to start building it. Okay, so we're going to start building now. Okay, our first step is we want to make something like this right here. We want to make a 5x8 of our sandstone. So, along with this, we're going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dig out 5 for the length, and then place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your sandstone. We now want to come over here and do the same thing, but the length is going to be 8. So we're going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. I have to go to a different location so I can build this stack. One sec, guys. Okay, so you want to have something like this right here as your starter base. Okay, and now for the next step, we want to do something. Oops. So we want to make this shape right here. So coming down from here on the left side, we're going to create our see here. I'll have to look at this. So it says make the back corners make what you see in picture 2. So we're going to make the back corner. So we want to make sure we have the back corners that are facing this way. Then we want to have, I think that, and then something like this right here. And we want to do the same thing on the other side. We'll do the same thing as well. Alright, you want to have these 2 right here. And then place 2 chests in the center. And then this is what you're supposed to have right here. So that's going to be part of our interior, like our terrain. Okay then. Now for the next, I'm going to grab the hoppers. And keep in mind guys, I'm sorry putting the camera down because I'll have to use both hands for my controller. So for the next step, we're going to dig, oopsie, sorry guys. We want to come over here and dig at least 2 blocks out. And then we want to place a hopper. On right next to the double chest, pull a hopper pointing backwards. So meaning that the hopper should be facing, that little switch right there should be facing towards that way. And then for the next step is we're gonna grab our ice blocks now, and we're gonna be making right here. We want to make something look like this right here. But first, place a dead bush right here. This is gonna be like our little seaweed. This is gonna be like seaweed right here. Alright guys, I'm back. So the reason why I didn't play that wasn't placing there is because I actually used sandstone. You want to use regular plain old sand. So don't use sandstone because this will not work. Okay. Then for the next step, grab your ice block and then place it on there. Place it right there and place vine. This is gonna be like a little seaweed right here, like a little window with seaweed in here. Okay. For our next step, we'll do the same thing as well. We'll come here. Oops. Sorry. Place a ice block there. Right there. And then coming from that one block we made, go over the diagonal. We want to place it there. I'm thinking where the hopper is, and then coming behind it. So like that, place vines. And then you want to crouch down to make that vine. Let me see. Let me check something real quick. It's okay, Alexa. I think you place a block first. Like that. Basically to do that, you place a block right there, and you should have something that should like this right here. Alright, and you're all ready. Let's go to the next step. For our next step here, we're going to basically be doing the same thing as well. So come over here, place 2 ice blocks. I see what you promised, Alexa. On the back here, place your vines. Alexa, no, freak Alexa. Alexa, no, freak Alexa. Sorry, guys. Then coming here, place dead bushes right here. And should bring you this right here. Our next step, let's come here, is we're going to dig out this whole U shape, start from this block right here we made, and replacing it with black stained clay. So I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done. On the back, so you want to have something that looks like this right here. No, freak Alexa. Okay, on the side here, you're going to place 2 of your black stained clay, rise them up a little bit to here. Then come over here, you're going to place your glass block on, what? Okay, so, false alarm, I don't know what happened there, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to create diagonals with your glass blocks, so you won't have to accident to actually cover it with the seaweed. We don't want that with the seaweed. But, I'm going to do it with the glass later. But the rest of the whole idea with the black stained clay marker made, we're gonna put ice block around it. The reason why we're using ice blocks to glass is because the ice block looks really cool. Looks really cooler with using ice blocks because it has a contraption between glass. Because glass is so skeptical in Minecraft that I prefer ice blocks will be the kind of glass we can use, and it breaks, shatters and it sounds like actual glass. Okay, now I'm gonna try to see if I can do something with those glass. Okay, oh, I see here. So, I'll put the camera down. I'll show you guys in a sec what I'm doing. Alexa, no, freak Alexa. Okay, I fixed the problem here, guys. So, you just put glass right here, right there, and then right here. Our next step we'll be doing is we'll be filling in our terrain here with this glass, with some ice blocks here. So it's going to cover up the whole area, I think. Right here. Coming from the glass block. It's okay, Alexa. And it's okay, Alexa. Sorry, guys. So 3 glass blocks. Then I think Alexa, shut up. No, wait. Sorry guys, I'm gonna keep looking at this. But just try to keep patient with me, guys. Okay, so our next step is we're going to be placing ice blocks right here. Should cover this whole area right here. Oh. Okay. After that, come over here and I think we're gonna be making 2 of those glass right there. Then sorry I'm not showing you guys, but I basically place that there. Then I come on with a row of glass here and leave it at that first block right there. Don't put anything there. And then coming here where we right here where we made, place a couple of your glass blocks, ice blocks, sorry, like that, and make sure you put that there. Yeah, sure. And you should have some image like this right here. This is where the fish is gonna swim, so you can see them better. Okay. For our next step is we're gonna come all the way back to where we made that hopper point, hopper circuit, if I like to call it. Sorry. The main part is you want to come back here, craft out, delete those 2 blocks right here, and then replace them with the hoppers. Right? Then, above this, you'll be grabbing, I think, what was the next time we need? Droppers. So, we will be needing, I don't think we will be needing a chest no more, so grab your droppers. So, grab your droppers, and then place 2 droppers facing on top, like this. Wait, how many I placed? 3 droppers, actually. There you go. Smart, Alexa. Don't use dispensers, because dispensers will not work. Then, you want to create a two more hole right here. Get your hand, okay? Sorry, guys. Sorry about this, but let me see here. Ow. Wait a second, guys. 1 sec. Alright, guys, I figured out. So you want to have something like this right here. So, okay. For our next step, we're gonna be placing our. I don't think we won't be needing our sandstone block no more. So we're gonna grab our limestone clay. Here's the items that we don't need. So I'm gonna hurry this up. Sorry, because I really gotta go, but I'm gonna take my time here. We're grabbing our limestone clay. Then we'll be needing some we're needing our repeaters. All right, I'm back here. Okay, let's go. Let's place the lime. Label. Sorry. So you'll place a lime block, and then place a comparator facing that way. That's what Alexa. Then create a diagonal. Delete that diagonal, and then place a redstone torch right there. Sorry, guys. So after this, grab a piece of redstone and then place it. I screwed up, guys. So let's see. I won't be needing the droppers no more, so I'm gonna fix that up. So I'm gonna fix my mistake up. So I fixed my mistake up. I be sure I dig that up. Let's come here. So place redstone right there. And then let me look here again. Oh, grab your repeater. Place it right there. Actually, underneath there. I made a mistake there as well, but I'm gonna fix that. So, one sec, guys, and I'll explain what I did here. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh. So, I placed a repeater underneath here and a redstone line over there, and I created this right here that the repeater should light up. Now, coming over here, place a redstone torch underneath that block you made, and that should burn out. Alright. The next idea is we're going to come back all the way back up, and this is what your promise, Alexa. Sorry, guys. Then you're going to create another diagonal with the limestone clay, like a staircase right here. It's call you back. With another diagonal, and then place a redstone torch right there, and place a torch right there. And then I'm gonna extend those. I'm gonna extend the. I don't know. Alexa. Then I'm gonna extend everything. Left, and I'll jump it. Add all of the redstone. Should be now working. So if you want to can throw anything in a hopper, it will pop out of the trap. All right. Now, so one sec, guys. What did I do here? Oh, guys, sorry. So I'm basically gonna finish up building this right here. So we basically are done, almost done with this. So I'm gonna be filling in the rest of our terranium. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to delete everything I can. It's because I'm basically working on the outer layer. Alexa. So I'm basically gonna use the black stained clay so I can fill up my wall. And then we're gonna finish upping that by using some ice here. Sorry, guys. I want to make sure and I'll see no more sand. And then you have something literally like this right here. So we are almost done. So our next thing is we need to add is I think we need to add the water. Let me look here. I think I know what to do. So before that. All right. So I know what I want. I'm making sure that I did everything right because I don't want nothing bad to happen to this. So I'm trying to figure out a way to like. So basically, we're gonna place a little caping around here. So what I did was I did this, and then sorry, I'm not showing you guys. So I did this right here, and then wait patiently. I'm gonna grab my water buckets. We don't be using any of our Arduinos no more, the Arduino circuits. So I'll replace the comparators with the water bucket, and then place a row. Place a roll of water right here in your little aquarium. Alright. Now, for the next idea is we need to find where we made that mark at. So, we're going to finish filling this up with the not the concrete. We're finishing filling it up with we're going to be building it up with our we're going to be finishing up building with our build of all of our black stained clay. So finish building that roof up with your black stained clay. I need to place water in here. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. Sorry this video is taking so long. I'm trying to find a possible place so I could put this at. So I place the water here, and I want to fill that up again. So I just did like a corner stair. You can design your roof however you want on your aquarium, but you need to make sure that the water is capable enough so you can see the water. So that being said, we're placing more down. And then how I did was that I basically want to create my roof now. So because we're finished, I'm going to create my roof. And then... No, freak Alexa. And then I want to make sure I get rid of everything here. I'm going to get rid of my... I want to get rid of like the... Hang on a sec. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm not showing you guys, but I basically did this right here, and then this is where your glowstone comes into place. So I delete those, and then place glowstone where the treasure chest is, and then you now have a working aquarium. Oh, so your aquarium is now finished. All right. Now put your fish one at a time in the bottom dropper, then watch them go. So we're going to grab our fish now, and then... Sorry guys. So we'll grab ourselves some tropical fish, puffer fish, so on. Oh. So here we do. I'll place a couple of our tropical fish right here. Okay. Then I'll place at least 2 puffer fishes. And then set everything off. And then... And if you look closely, if you did everything right, all of your fish should come in. So yeah, all of your fishes should come in. So let me look at this. Make sure you place them on the bottom dropper. Sorry guys. Look. So if you did everything right, you should have everything succeeded, and then your fish should swim around. And that's how you make a working aquarium. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more heckling down below, go check out my boy's Ice Nice channel and Terminal Headquarters. Check out all of my other stuff here. And before that, I want to fix something real quick on my little redstone project I made. So you see where that line of like ice is at? I'm not going to fill that in with using black stained clay again. So let's fill this in, if you mind. So fill this whole thing in. And then just fill where the ice block is. And then just basically, fill in this. Alexa, shut up. No, freak Alexa. So you have everything working straight. So, yeah. Alexa, hurry up. So this is how you make your working aquarium, and so basically comment down below if you like this, and always wonders thumbs up for safety. Like a Hellcat.